Today we're looking at SP3 acrylic-based pipe wrap repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Common single-ply failures are found at flashing boots and field terminations. Let's look at a repair method using 264 Flash and Seal. To start, always clean the surface. A light pressure washing or scrubbing may be required. Using a tape measure and a felt-tipped marker, mark the outside border of the repair area. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. Using a brush, apply APOC 296 single-ply primer to the pipe and all horizontal surfaces. Once primer is dried to the touch, lay out and cut the APOC fleece top incredible tape. Measure, fold, and cut out a finger wrap. After cutting the finger wrap, remove the release liner and apply the wrap to the pipe. For ultimate adhesion, work in the incredible tape with a seam roller. Measure and pre-cut 2 pieces of 483 reinforcing fabric. Mark the polyester using the pipe as a guide. Using professional shears, cut a half moon in each piece to create a target with a center hole. After pre-cutting the 2 pieces of polyester, set them to the side. Apply the 264 Flash and Seal. Work the APOC 264 towards the outside edge of the tape. Embed one side of the pre-cut target into the sealant. Sealant should extend past the fabric. Never embed the fabric over a dry substrate. Embed the final piece of 483 polyester fabric into the 264. Apply the final coat of APOC 264 Flash and Seal to the horizontal surface and the pipe. Remove the masking tape. Now your APOC SP3 acrylic-based pipe wrap repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.